Okay, thank you, Yasser. Now to a Fort Wayne's NBC special report. CBD, pass or fail. Hemp-derived CBD. It's legal, easily accessible, and for some, it works wonders, from alleviating migraines to combating cancers. But do these possible benefits come with a risk?
So we here at Fort Wayne's NBC went out to find answers. The experts we talked with agree. If you're not careful, some legal CBD products can lead to failing a drug test.
From coffee beans and teas to sodas and even chocolates, CBD comes in many forms to treat all kinds of symptoms.
A lot of our guests say blood pressure, cholesterol, diabetes, things of that sort, arthritics. So it just depends.
But the pursuit for relief requires caution.
You got to look at that lab.
See, legal CBD has to contain less than 0.3% THC, the compound found in marijuana that gives users a high sensation. Although CBD alone won't give you that sensation, when it comes to a drug test,
it can cause them to test positive.
Certain ones will definitely make you fail.
Corey Vondro co-owns the CBD store of Fort Wayne. He says buyers need to look closely at how precise a CBD company is testing for THC.
It has to test to 0.001. If they don't test to 0.001, some will test to 0.3. So if it doesn't show 0.3, they say it doesn't have it. You're going to fail with that one.
Vondro says that some companies may be misleading you.
They're going to advertise it as 0 THC, but it still tests somewhere between 0.001 and 0.3. That will build up in your system, depending on your metabolism. Some people may not ever. Some people will faster than others.
Studies back up those claims. In 2017, the Journal of American Medical Association, or JAMA, found over 20% of online CBD products contain THC, even though it wasn't listed on the product or it was labeled THC-free. And just this month, a Johns Hopkins study concluded THC can potentially build up in a person's system with repeated use of CBD products.
THC is THC, so it is, if you're using more than the 0.3% in the CBD oil that you're using, then it can come back positive.
Any Lab Test Now owner Tori Esquera says these cases are becoming more and more common. Her advice for CBD consumers: find out where you stand.
If you're concerned that maybe you're not using the correct kind, I would definitely recommend coming in here to Any Lab Test Now and getting checked, before maybe you're checked at work, whether you're going in for a job, so it may be pre-employment that you're looking at, making sure you can pass a drug test, or possibly your work does random testing and you want to be sure that you're okay and you're using the correct kind.
Because a positive drug test does not indicate whether the THC was derived from legal CBD, Tori says users could be taking a risk in pursuing CBD's benefits.
It's not regulated at this time, and so there's so many different things out there on the market that people are taking, and just really know what you are taking. And then if you feel like you want to have a drug test done, then just come here to Any Lab Test Now and we can help you with that.
The bottom line from the experts we talked with:
honestly, staying away from it is your best bet to make sure you have a negative drug test.
If you think it's something you got to worry about, just check yourself regularly. Or come in and ask us. We'll try to research it as much as possible. If it's one of our brands, we'll already know it. We want to make sure you get something that's adequate for your size, and it's going to be adequate for what you're trying to use it for.
And in addition to finding out where you stand through tests and proper CBD research, have a conversation with your HR representative. Find out your employer's stance on CBD and testing procedures. It may save you your job.